Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SBBP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $6. Now, if the price doesn't, hold up above there, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, down here at right around $5.60. So $6 and then $5.60, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a grand scheme of things viewpoint, a very easy way to just gauge the health of the chart is to watch, and really the overall move, that of course being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, sure, staying above $6 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now, right up around the 650 mark. You go through the past history of the chart throughout the course of the day, and you can see that on several occasions the price got right up around this general area and can never quite push through or stay above the 650 mark. So that is definitely public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, great move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.